of the things I think that is happening between the line of business user and IT in terms of data management is this shift that's happened where line of business users are becoming more technically savvy. They're getting a lot more autonomy and ability to use different SaaS tools so they can do their job more effectively. In my experience, what I've seen is I've worked on both sides of the fence. I've worked on the IT side as well as the line of business. And I think as long as those two groups can work together, the IT side is more than happy to maybe give some of that responsibility to the line of business user, as long as the line of business user can act responsibly. And I think you've been able to show that over the years in their usage of SaaS applications, and that's just proliferated. And with those tools that have come around, it's just been made easier and easier. And that's why I think line of business users, especially marketers in this day and age, have been given that responsibility and are now accountable for doing that. Yeah, so I think you're seeing more and more individuals coming out of college, even with liberal arts degrees or business degrees, but have done something in computer science. And those people tend to have more of an inclination for how the technology works, for how data works, and want to really dig into the weeds around data and data management. So specifically with marketing, we're seeing this real tremendous growth with marketing ops, where they're almost like this hybrid, developer, coder, programmer, but business person kind of embedded in the marketing department. And in that group, they've really taken ownership of being the data stewards within the marketing department, but also communicating throughout other departments in terms of finance and sales, and helping them understand the data, especially customer data, which there's so much of that, that they can help understand it, manage it. They understand the tools and technology around it. And so, within marketing, it's the marketing ops person. But again, depending on the organization and the size of the organization, sometimes it can be others, typically with an operational role. But the marketing ops person is really the person that seems to be really taking ownership of this role now. Well, of course, the obvious thing in terms of things to watch out for with regards to data management, it goes unsaid, data security, right? I think that's the most obvious thing, and I think that's probably first and foremost. And then number two is around data accuracy and data quality. And when you're working with some of these different tools, is ensuring that those tools have the ability either within the core of the application or can extend itself to be able to work with other applications that provide the right types of data security, data accuracy, and data quality. And then beyond that, it's making sure that the old saying goes, garbage in, garbage out, that you have good data cleanliness on your different source and target systems, and ensuring that you're using systems and applications that foster and ensure that. So those are probably the top 3 or 4 things that they should really be concerned about and focus on, especially when choosing different applications in the world of data management.